Isa naman ang English ang daddy mo eh. Wala na English ang daddy. Dahil meron tayong 100 million, 20 million viewers. Hi guys! Merry Christmas! Okay. Maligayang Pasko! Tagalog na Tagalog si daddy eh. Okay. Maligayang Pasko guys! Nandito kami sa bahay ni Lola at saka ni Tito Dan. Okay? Okay. Why did you stop talking, Ara? Hi, say hi to them. Kumusta po kayo, guys? Please. Ano ba yung please sa Tagalog? Ano si Daddy? You're teaching Daddy how to speak in Tagalog, right? Okay. Pakiusap. Please like, share, and subscribe. Okay. What are you going to say? Come on. Say something to them. Hey. Guys. Ara, what are you going to say? Come on. Okay.
Anong oras ng service?
Ngayon? 6. Hindi ko alam. Wala pang ano.
Baby R and Daddy. Mommy's there sleeping, guys. Yes.
7:09.
Baby R is here.
Ako utot na utot.
Uh,
Ano kaya kinain ko?
Alright. Precious moment with Baby Ara. And
Ayan.
I think Baby Ara seconded. Okay. Okay. Seconded Daddy's motion, guys. That. Come on.
Anong brand? Ay, wala na.
Ano tayo na?
Oo.
What do you wanna say
Mas
to them?
masarap yun ube tsaka cheese dan.
Ara,
Mas masarap yun ube cheese.
what do you wanna say to them?
Try mo yun. Try mo yun ube cheese. Masarap.
Okay. We're going today, Ara, right? We're going today. We're going home today.
Matulaw.
Huh?
Cream.
Okay, and
Water.
we'll be back end of the year. Ara.
Atang vanilla naman. Masarap ako.
Yes, yes. Oh, you're linking your fingers again, Ara. Are your fingers delicious, baby? Huh? 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 Are your fingers delicious? You keep on linking your fingers. Huh? Can Daddy taste your fingers, Ara? Daddy said, our fingers need to be what? Sterilized because Ara keeps putting her fingers inside her mouth. Okay? Ara.
Linisan na lahat.
Pero walang maraming laman yung rep.
Daddy, Lola, Tito, Tita, and Mommy sleeping. Huh?
Pang-rich. Pang-rich daw kasi yung daddy mommy. Eh, sooner they will become rich.
Pang-rich?
Mm-mm.
Pang-rich yun, Daddy and Mommy.
Daddy and mommy is for rich.
For rich?
Rich parents.
Hmm.
Sabi ni Lola. Daddy and mommy is for rich parents.
Naghiwalay yung friend.
For rich people.
Mm-mm.
Oh, the problem is Daddy cannot avoid speaking.
Better tatay nanay.
Cannot.
Ba? Ano ba?
Oo. Lola, how I wish Daddy be called Tatay. But our generation is not that anymore. Oh, what happened? What happened, Ara?
Nagdaro kami. Baby, wala, umadaro. Wala, tuloy-tuloy ka pa yung dumaan sa garo. Gano'ng kadedede na.
Oh, very hyper,
Pero
energetic.
smooth yung regular ice cream nila.
Yes.
Yung iba, na natin.
I'll get baby Araga is very hyper, energetic.
Ito ano talaga.
Magastang pa yan. Yung ube tsaka cheese.
Magaspang
Yes,
talaga to.
yes.
Oo.
Bonding moment with
Yung
cute baby
ube cheese
Ara.
nila, ibang brand din kasi yun eh.
Are your fingers delicious, baby?
Tikman mo.
Are your fingers delicious? Okay. By the way, guys, Ara will be turning 4 months old this coming December 27. I think it's tomorrow. You're already 4 months old, Ara. Right? Ara is already 4 months old tomorrow, by the way. Yes.
Masarap ang danggit na tanghali niya.
Yes.
Magluto ko.
Okay, sige, para matikman namin, Tito.
Luto mo na
Yung
lahat.
yung danggit nyo. Oh.
Gagawin atin yun.
Ay,
Oh.
gusto pa ako man.
Okay.
Magkakain na kayo ulit.
Ayun, Ara. Ara, we're going to have a special lunch, Ara. Dried fish. Yes. From? You asked Tito where that the dried fish come from.
From Cebu.
Oh, it's very far away.
From Cebu, di ba? Kapag umuwi nga sila,
Baby.
cut sa kanila.
Oh,
Papasayaw
baby,
na.
Ara.
Ayan.
Oh, baby, Ara.
Dadaan siya ng Cebu.
Oh, baby, Ara.
Uwi ba
Di-
yan?
Dito kami sa bahay ni Lola at ni Tito. Sabi ko ni Lola, magsabi ni Tato kagad eh. Ko, sinasabayan ng maingay na daddy.
Yung magkakaroon ng house and lot ng maaga.
Oo, Lola. Sabi ko sa inyo, Lola eh. Okay. Dito, Lola.
Di ba dyan silang magsawa?
Nako, hindi tatanda ng tatanda pa ng matagal pagtanda pa ng lola mo. Ay, lalo, kaya maingay ka, oh. Lola, oh. You better talk to your lola, not always to your daddy. Huh? Okay? Oo. No? Ara,
Yung salad ko nandun pa.
hey,
Yung salad ko.
say something to your lola.
Ay, hingi pala
Say
ako
something to
ng
your lola.
Nasa pagka, nasa daw sila like, punta daw eh.
Hindi pa puntahin mo.
Sorry, baka mag-treat na.
Baka sila magpa-print.
Ara, are we going to stop or we going to cut? We're in. We did.
Oo na daw.
Is enough? Is enough?
Enough na, daddy.
It's enough?
Enough na, Daddy. Mom is very sleepy.
Enough na? Okay, enough na. Okay, say bye-bye. Thank you guys. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Happy Christmas. Oh, yes. Oh. Naku.
Your love and support means so much, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.